You've probably been refueling your car the wrong way all along. Most people make mistakes when transferring fuel, which can easily end with gasoline spilling onto the car or the ground. Many people try cutting bottles open, but the fuel often leaks out the sides and makes a huge mess. Others use small funnels, but they are usually too narrow and fuel spills very easily. Some even try siphoning fuel with a hose, which is extremely dangerous and can end with fuel getting into your mouth. That's why I'm going to show you a simple method that lets you transfer fuel quickly, safely, and without spilling. You only need a plastic bottle and a hose. First, mark the spot on the bottle where the hose should pass through. Then pull the hose through the prepared hole and guide it through the bottle opening so the end of the hose sticks out properly. This creates a simple system that helps control the fuel flow and reduces the risk of spills. Now place the bottle with the hose into the fuel canister. Put the other end of the hose into the tank or container where you want the fuel to go. Then gently squeeze the bottle to start the flow. After a moment, the fuel will begin flowing through the hose directly into the tank on its own. Remember that the fuel canister must be positioned higher than the tank so the fuel can flow freely through the hose. This is a simple, convenient, and much safer way to transfer fuel without mess or wasted fuel. Do this once, and you'll forget about the problem. Slide the seatbelt through the hole in the pool noodle. Cut the bottom of the noodle at the height where the seat ends. A pool noodle is not just a great helper in the water, but it can also solve a daily problem in your car. Now, carefully cut it lengthwise, creating two halves. Take one of them and place it in the gap between the seat and the middle armrest. Adjust it so that the gap is completely covered. It's a simple way to secure the space where coins, keys, or other small items always fall. From now on, nothing will disappear between the seats, and your car will be neat. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle it generously with baking soda. Then rub the lemon thoroughly over the headlight to clean it well. The acid from the lemon dissolves buildup and restores clarity, while the baking soda gently removes dirt and dullness. Finally, rinse everything with water. The headlight will be clear again, and the light will become noticeably brighter. Insert the neck of the bottle into the car air vent. Then place a PVC pipe into the vent. The pipe leads directly into the bottle. Put your favorite drinks inside and close it. Turn on the car's air conditioning, and the cold air from the vent will flow through the pipe straight into the bottle. This way, the drink will gradually cool down while you drive. It is a simple way to make a small fridge in your car. 4 hidden key fob functions. Super useful, but hardly anyone knows about them. Turns out, your car key has features that can really make life easier. Even though there are usually only a few buttons, the right combinations unlock secret functions. The first is a lifesaver on hot days. When your parked car heats up fast, your key can help cool it down without even turning on the AC. A few minutes before getting in, just press and hold the unlock button for a few seconds. The windows should roll down, letting the car air out. No more climbing into a sweltering cabin. The second hidden feature is perfect for the forgetful. If you've ever lost your car in a crowded parking lot, this one's for you. Just hold down a specific button on your key fob to activate the vehicle locator. The lights will flash and the horn will sound, guiding you right to your car. Super useful and a big time saver. Yet most people forget it exists, just like they forget where they parked. You can also use your key to fold in the side mirrors remotely, which is great when parking in tight city spots. If you're worried about someone hitting your mirrors, check your car settings. Some models fold them automatically when locked, others need this option enabled manually. The function is often hidden behind a button combo, so dig into your car's settings. You might have it without knowing. Lastly, ever struggle with a full load of shopping bags and no free hand to open the trunk? There's a hidden feature for that too. Your key fob likely has a button for the trunk. Pressing it twice or holding it for a few seconds will pop it open on its own. This little trick can save you a lot of hassle. Most people have no idea their car is even capable of doing this. This is an amazing trick that will transform your car headlights in no time without replacing them. A simple method that saves you money on expensive cleaning products. You only need these items. The first one is a lemon. It dissolves dirt and water stains perfectly. To clean the headlights, just cut the lemon in half. The second is baking soda. It removes dirt, polishes, and scrubs without scratching the surface. These two simple ingredients are the secret to making your headlights shine like new. Just sprinkle the lemon with baking soda and start scrubbing. The lemon releases juice and the cleaning takes only a few seconds. Watch as the headlights regain their original shine second by second. Simply wipe them dry afterward. Look at these brilliant results. I regret finding out about this so late. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth, preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. Hold a lit candle next to your car's side mirror for 10 seconds. Sounds absurd, but it works brilliantly. That's why I'm going to show you a trick that explains everything. Take a regular candle. Rub the tip of the candle thoroughly over the mirror. Cover the entire surface with an even layer of wax. Don't worry, it won't damage the mirror. Now, carefully light the wax directly on the surface of the mirror. Do it quickly and safely, just for a moment so the wax melts. Then, take a cloth and rub the melted wax thoroughly into the mirror. Don't skip any spots. The layer needs to be even and well adhered to the glass. Once coated, the mirror will shed water and dirt more effectively. It improves visibility on the road during rain. It's a simple home trick that can improve visibility and increase driving safety, especially in harsh weather conditions. You should always keep this in your car. Just spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe these spots. Dirt from shoes often collects on the lower door sills and plastic trim. WD-40 makes the grime disappear quickly and restores the shine to the plastics. This trick is perfect for a quick interior refresh.